Hey guys, welcome back. I am leaving work and I'm going to go over to Starbucks and get a keto chai. So I thought I would take y'all along with me and show you how to order this drink if you are on the keto diet. Every once in a while, I like to not order coffee from Starbucks. So I ordered this chai. It's really good. It kind of tastes like fall in a cup. So I absolutely love it. So I thought I would show y'all how to order it. Okay, scratch the whole keto chai thing that I said I was going to get. I just went to Starbucks. They were out of the organic chai tea bags, so I asked the barista what else they had, and she recommended the London Fog, so I made that as a keto drink. Excuse the mess on the side of this cup, but it's spilled all over the place. So to order it, you just ask for a grande London Fog tea latte. No vanilla, substitute whatever kind of sugar-free syrup you'd like to have. This time I got the cinnamon dolce syrup and heavy cream, and that's it. Not really sure if I'm gonna like this or not because I can't remember what London Fogs taste like, and with the sugar-free cinnamon dolce syrup, I feel like I should have just switched for sugar-free vanilla instead, but here it goes. It's very good, actually. I'm pleasantly surprised. It has like the taste of a chai, but I think I should have just stuck with the sugar-free vanilla instead of the sugar-free cinnamon dolce, but it's still pretty good. So there you have it, folks. There's a keto London Fog.